Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change font size on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to display. And display, okay, scroll down and find the font size and style. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here in font size and style, below you can see the font size adjustment. To change the size of fonts, okay, you'll have to do is tap the letter A on the right side or letter A on the left side. And okay guys, if you tap the letter A on the right side, okay, the size of the font is increased. If you tap the letter A on the left side, the font size is decreased. And okay guys, so I decide to increase the font size of my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the font size on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.